What's up guys? Today we're gonna do another unboxing video on car parts, not electronics. The Mercedes-Benz e320 needs a new disc brake and a disc pad. So stay tuned. You are watching Sensitech Master channel. So what do we have here? So we got the two sets of brake pads. We have a anti-rattle plate, right? So there's two sets too. We do have a new a bolt to hold the brakes, to hold the brake pads. We have one over here, and we do have a cylinder cover, brake cylinder cover. So you just simply put it on the hole like that, and basically it's just a cover. Okay, you also have a grease. It's very important that you put the grease in, because it prevents it from squeaking, anti-squeaking. Basically this grease is an anti-squeaking grease. Have you noticed every time you press on the brakes it makes that squeak, squeak, squeak? Yeah, this helps it. This one helps to eliminate that annoying sound. Alright, so and again I bought this for 120 Canadian. You can get a cheaper parts for 80 bucks and may include everything you see here. But one good thing about these Brembos is they make good ceramic. This is a ceramic pad, not those asbestos type. This is ceramic, right? Those are the type of brakes you've seen on the racing cars. So yep, that's what you got for your 120 Canadian. Alright, this is it guys. This is our disc brake made by Raybestos in the USA. Yep. Well, I'm a CNC machinist, and I can say that this is really a good quality metal they use here. Good steel, quality steel. I don't have to use I don't have to use the hardness test to know that what kind of metal they use here. It's really solid. You can take it's really solid guys. It's pretty solid. Yeah, quality is really good. I don't see any imperfection. I don't see any hard fit, like unfinished. Like when you CNC something or machine something, if you don't do it properly, you end up with a rough surface. Especially you can see that on the edge, but this one's really soft all the way through. All the way through. Yeah, I'm happy with this. It's really heavy. Replacing the old brakes with these new ones, and the old disc brake with this new one. Alright, so stay tuned for that video, that brake pads and brake disc repair replacement coming soon, okay? Alright, peace out.